In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column grid in Figma. A column grid is one of the simplest ways to organize a page or component so your design feels balanced and consistent across different screen sizes. Let's set one up together. First, click to select the frame you want to work with. This is important because layout grids only attach to frames and components. If you click a group or a single layer, you won't see the right options. With your frame selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Layout Grid. Click the plus icon to add a grid. Figma will create a default grid entry under Layout Grid. You'll notice a small square icon next to it. Click that icon to open the Grid Type menu and choose Columns. Instantly, your frame will switch from a square grid to vertical column guides, which is exactly what we want for structuring responsive layouts. Now, let's customize it so it matches your design needs. Start with Count, which controls how many columns you have. 12 columns are common for desktop web layouts because they divide easily into halves, thirds, and quarters, but feel free to pick what suits your project. Next, adjust the gutter. This is the spacing between columns and it keeps content from feeling cramped. Increase it for airier layouts or decrease it when space is limited. Then, set your margins. These define the left and right padding inside the frame, giving your content comfortable edges. Margins are optional, but they're incredibly useful for aligning content without manually nudging elements. Finally, tweak the color and opacity so the guides are visible without overpowering your design. A subtle color with medium opacity is usually easiest on the eyes. As soon as you dial in those settings, you'll see clear vertical guides across the frame. Use them to align text blocks, images, and cards, and to create consistent spacing patterns. If the guides don't appear, you might have layout guides hidden. Turn them back on from the View options, or press Shift+G to toggle them. You can add more than one layout grid to a single frame. For example, combine a column grid with a row grid to plan both horizontal and vertical rhythm. And remember, margins and gutters can be adjusted per frame, which makes it easy to tailor the same design for desktop, tablet, and mobile sizes without rebuilding your structure. That's it. Select your frame. Add a layout grid, switch it to columns, set the count, gutter, margin, and visibility, and then align with confidence.